In this lesson, I'm going to show you how easy it is to redeem Fortnite gift card credits and add it to your PlayStation console using your mobile phone or desktop computer. So let's get to it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. From your mobile device, search for Epic Games. Click on Epic Games. That takes you to Epic Store. Click on menu icon and sign in. Use your Epic account to log in. Now click on the menu icon again on the top right hand side. Now click on the profile icon next to the globe icon. This opens your menu and select from the menu redeem code. And here you enter your 16-digit Fortnite gift card code. Grab your Fortnite gift card, turn it around, and here's where you scratch your gift card code. You may also use your PC or Mac to access Fortnite.com/V-Bucks card. Click on Get Started and log into your Epic account. Once you see your profile icon, click on Get Started. And here's where you enter your gift card code. Now click Next. From the drop-down menu, select PlayStation. The screen also shows your actual V-Bucks card. And click Next. And here's your redemption summary for this gift card. Make sure everything is correct, then click on Confirm. And here's your PlayStation activation code. Please save this code or take a picture with your mobile phone. We need to use this code in the next step. Now we're going to go through all the 4 steps mentioned here. Go to your PlayStation console and click on PlayStation Store. Then go to the 3 dotted line above. Select Redeem Code and click on Redeem Code. Enter the 12-digit PlayStation activation code. And that's the same code I asked you to take a note or take a picture with your mobile phone. After you enter all the codes, click Done. Then click Redeem. Click on Continue. It takes you to the PlayStation menu. Find your Fortnite icon. Click on it. Previously I had 800 credits. It takes a few seconds for the credit to update. And now I have 3,600 credits. And that's how easy it is to add Fortnite gift card credits. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.